Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about YESTON GeForce RTX 4060 Ti Game S. So friend, YESTON introduced first Game S graphics card for GeForce RTX 40 series, and friend, this graphics card comes with white PCBs are not just a new thing, definitely not for graphics card market of YESTON, and the company had successfully developed its Sakura Sugar series for RTX 4080 and RX 7900 XT graphics card a few months ago, but it appears that there is enough for white laminate for mid-range GPUs as well. And this Game S graphics card does not really have any special features. It does not have dual BIOS or RGB lighting. In fact, the official product announcement says the following: the combination of pure white and light blue is fresh and soft with the blue LED. It will bring a little coolness in the hot summer, which suggests it only light up with two colors. And friend, it will be available for purchase, starting price at $440. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. एक थर्मल